record time like that. It's a pity we can't get the drone up. That's right nasty, isn't it? This wind.
You could get the drone up, but whether you'd retrieve it again.
Never see it again.
Yeah. Everything that people want from a car nowadays, as opposed to everything we used to get from a car, and then you work out what a car manufacturer's got to do to appease these people, then you'd actually argue that this car is spot on, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's a car for all sort of eventualities, really, isn't it? You know, it snows, you're not going to have any problem. You get a flood, as we've seen, you've not got a problem. And we get more and more of those type of events, floods especially. You want to take the family on holiday, it's great, isn't it?
Well, the fact that
you want to drive it every day, it's not a bad drive.
Well, the modernity of a car like this, as opposed to one from 20 years ago, you jumped in here and your phone connected automatically. Now, a lot of people don't like that. But then, for most people, that's a plus, isn't it? Digital display, whereby, as you mentioned before, it will show you your turn off. So your binnacle will flip up and show you directions, should you need it. It's all nice. I mean, the digital binnacle on this is quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah. It'll all move around to suit what you're doing with it. If you're off-roading, you'll get a slightly different view than you would on-road. Yeah, it's all sort of very nice.
It still feels premium in here, but it doesn't have the toss pottery, does it? I'd say.
No.
There's a lake there, we could test wading now. It handles bumps really well.
It does. It's I'd say on this road, I know this road well, it's not quite as good as the Range Rover for smoothing it out, but it's not built as a Range Rover, it's built as an off-roader, innit? So it's going to have slightly harder suspension settings possibly to accommodate that. So yeah, all in all, I've lost what I'm trying to do here.
I like it.
All in all, not bad.
It's no slouch either. It picks up and goes well enough.
So that's 35, 40, and then above the speed limit slightly. So yeah, if you wanted to pick up and overtake something, it's not going to hang around. And even though we've been giving it a bit of sort of slow moving backwards and forwards through the old Ford, we've just been putting our foot down a bit more this time. It's still 30 to the gallon. It's not bad as an average. We've done 24.7 miles, so it's not like we've done a massive amount.
You buy this vehicle because you like the way it looks, you like its heritage.
You don't buy it for fuel economy, do you?
Yeah, well, I mean, you're asking a nicely shaped brick to be economical, and they've done everything that they can, and it's doing good economy for what it is, basically.
Yeah, it is.
And unlike the old Defender, it's got a decent engine in it. You know, it's no longer a transit engine.
Yeah.
Which is what the old Defender had, effectively. A transit engine with a 121 brake horsepower if you were looking.
It was slightly hideous, it has to be said.
So you'd have to argue that they've addressed all the flaws of the other vehicle. And let's face it, off-roaders, they're quite a niche market. So it's not like they'll have lost too many people from the devoted fans.
Just thought I might get a decent spot here to do some photography.
Oh, what's that place?
Antiques place.
Antiques. Bobby Antiques. Oh, Lovejoy.
Yeah, that's it.
Lovejoy Antiques.